Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
Okay, Jay. Okay, Jay.
We made it to some juicy crabs. About to get some juicy crabs. Y'all, if anybody tried the juicy crab in Jacksonville, comment below and let me know which way. What did you get at Juicy Crabs? And was it juicy, 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 juicy? What you think you're getting at Juicy Crab? What you think you're gonna eat? Because they fried food look real good. Even though I don't need it. Well, I will show you guys my plate. Pizza. Pizza.
Some of the lunch is this way.
So this is the cry. Yes, babe. Oh, he's so aggravating. Y'all, look at this stuff. There's like names on the wall. So they like wrote all over the walls, as you can see behind me. It's so cool. Dang. I think.
Your turn.
Yeah, I'll wait. I'm not sure.
Okay, I'll come back in a minute.
Thank you. See what you got?
No crab there.
And what else?
That's where we start from.
What comes with it?
Sausage. Comes with corn and potato, and I ordered some sausage with mine. And I ordered more potatoes.
Yeah, but I want some fried shrimp.
Oh, that's right. Ain't coming flat.
How much your stuff came up to?
I don't know, that's probably
I get this, eat a crab. That's how you really eat a crab. "101 on how to eat a crab." So you want some juices, right? Break this one off. All you're doing is just breaking it. Got some juices, slurp. You may cut your mouth, but it's okay. It's all part of the process. I'm gonna make sure there's no more meat. Right, babe? More sausage, please. Hey, right in front of. Okay, you got this big thing. And you just nibble on the side. Not just playing. That's how I do mine. And then when you nibble on the side, you have all this, so you don't bite the meat. And you just take it apart like that. If you want all your meat, this is how you do it. Without breaking it. And you just keep opening it up. Pretty sure some people out there that never had them. And it's just slide right on down. Huh?
Let me do this to show you. Let me show you.
You gotta show the camera.
So what happens is they cook these two long.
Whatever. Whatever.
Oh, that's one.
And this is how you really eat the potato. Get the juices up in there. I'm gonna show you how to eat a corn. Man, let me see a corn. I was trying to play. And we are all done. Babe, I was wondering how your hands got clean. But I was going. What, I gave you 2 bags? I'm gonna go wash my hands. Y'all, that was delicious. Like, so good. It was delicious. It was delicious. It was delicious. Y'all, that was so good. It was delicious, babe.
Just grab. That's it. That's it. It's a spot. That's what they need to do. You know what I'm saying?
And we got some left over. Like, I'm full. He's full. It was good.
$64.
Yeah.
That wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
We spent $40 on frozen.
Yeah.
And then this $20 more gonna cook them.
So we got two crab clusters. It's clusters, right, babe? Snow clusters. Snow crab legs. 1 pound, babe, of shrimp. Like 1 pound of shrimp, 1 pound of sausage. You got, and 1 pound of potatoes. And we still got some left over. So we filled for what, $64? No, so we got 4 clusters each, 1 pound each. Yeah, 2 clusters each. So for 4 clusters, 1 pound of shrimp, 1 pound of sausage, 1 pound of potatoes. Oh, with the corn each. It was $64, but it was good. So you won't be wasting your money. Oh, babe, I ain't never locked the door. Oh, watch out for this wind. You won't be wasting your money. Oh, that is burning my butt. Huh? Let me hurry up and close this door for it. Pop open. You won't be wasting your money. But why is she pointing at the car? I'm all in my teeth.
Just grab, just grab.
Just a crab, just a crab.
Straight. Right.
So, I wonder if they got one near St. Pete. But it's like when you go to St. Pete, you might as well just go to your people's.
Yeah, but that's bluegrass or St. Pete.
Yeah, I'm sorry about this.
Just grab, just grab.
I know y'all probably like, oh my gosh,
Yeah,
I hear his voice, but we can't see him.
See, that's what it's on. What you do?
Huh? What else was I say? So yeah, guys, we're just chilling in Jacksonville. We're about to go home. Go back to the hotel. What time is it? 4? Well, it's almost time to go to the beach. Get ready to go to the beach with JJ. So y'all get to see JJ. And today is an important day. Today is ovulation day. Had to throw that in there. It's a continuing channel. It's not just about my beautiful life. But it's a feeling good day. Oh, and I was cramping 2 nights ago. Really bad. On my left side. So that is the ovary that is working. My left ovary. And I did get the EWCM. I got it. That's kind of crazy because the Ava app is saying that I ovulate on the 18th, but the Glow app saying that I ovulate today. And based on my body, the Glow app is accurate with my symptoms and stuff, because I had EWCM 3 days prior, like 2 days prior to today. Like, you know, the 5 days, you got your 5 days. So within like the first 3 days of my fertile week was the watery CM and the EWCM. But you know where we going, how we get out. And yeah, so yeah, so and then I don't know if I'm gonna do the Ava bracelet this month, because you know you gotta keep putting that on your wrist every night, and then it's like you're gonna be tempted to, you gotta update your stuff, so you're gonna want to keep like looking at your charts and stuff like that. And this month I just want to like relax. I don't want to track anything or keep paying attention to anything unless it's like happening natural with my body. You know, with the Glow, they just send me notifications and stuff, so I won't be doing the Ava bracelet today. I know I haven't did a video on the Ava bracelet because you guys been wanting to know how I like it, but I'll be doing a separate video on that. With this whole hurricane situation, it kind of threw us off track a week, so I'm kind of like a week behind with my videos, but they are coming up. And my last video I have to post is pretty much closing the last cycle, and then I'll be posting this video just about us, you know, chilling in Jacksonville the last day. Well, tomorrow will be the last day, but we're going back home tomorrow, so this is our last full day, and I decided to invite you guys. So what did we do? We just had breakfast. I worked out. Ooh, I've been able to go to the gym, y'all, like the whole trip, 3 days. We got here Wednesday night, so I was able to go to the gym Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, which is today morning. That's really good, Because before I probably would be like, no, I just wait till I get home and start back up, you know. But if you guys are able to work out and take care of your body, you know, if you have the tools and resources and stuff like that, it may be uncomfortable because you're not used to the environment, but you know, still do it. So I'm proud of myself that even though I'm away from home, I still, you know, push myself to work out and stuff like that. And and to eat right. You know, I had bread here and there, but I didn't indulge in it. Like, I was mindful of how much I was intaking and stuff like that. And so yeah, I'm feeling good about this month. I'm feeling good just in general, you know. I've been reading my Bible and stuff like that. Well, not my Bible, but I've been doing this little routine thing in the morning time, speaking to God and stuff, just having a devotional time. It's a beautiful day, and I'm just super excited. I'm just chilled, as you guys can hear it in my voice. I'm real chilled. But we are headed back to the hotel. Probably we're gonna get ready to go to the beach. You guys get to see JJ. Oh, this is his first time at the beach, so this is gonna be funny. We're going with our neighbors, but like I said, I'm not sure how they feel about being on camera, so I may just continue to have the camera on myself and JJ. But yeah, stay tuned. So we are actually going to the park. We're not going to the beach anymore. We're going to the park. So you will see us at the park with the other little dogs and such. I ain't going nowhere because I left my keys in the hotel. So I need to get my keys. I do not like holding the phone like this, even though they say this is the best way to hold it. I like holding it this way, but I guess when you go to upload everything on or whatnot, it just look better. It fills up the screen. But this makes your arms get really tired like this. Like, my arms are tired. So I forgot my keys. I'm living my best life. Woo! Ain't no dum 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 dum. I'm living my best life. I never know the lyrics to songs. I just know it be banging. Y'all, oops. God have been so good to me. Like, he's good to all. And he's always been good to me. I guess when you've been good to God as much as he's been good to you, it's just a beautiful feeling, you know? And that's just how I feel. I feel like I'm stepping out of that whole religious type thing, you know, and just having a relationship and a bond with God. And I just feel so darn good. Yeah. And especially about this cycle. I feel so amazing. This cycle, I feel like this could possibly be my cycle, our month. And so I'm super excited about that. Now I know Justin went to walk Jay. I don't know if he made it to the car yet. Somebody called in, but I don't know if he made it to the car yet. Sorry, somebody keep calling in and being all extra rude. But he's still walking Jay, and it look like it's about to rain. Talking about going to a park. I feel like it. Look at back there. Did he pee? Did he poop? No, not yet. Alright guys, see you at the park. JJ. Jay. Hey y'all, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Ow, ow, ow. Well, let me catch my breath. we are, oh my god, this is so close. We are on our way home, back to, it smells like gas in here. Back to South Carolina. We had a great time, y'all. Like, I really enjoyed myself. And, put some of this window down. We got gas just in case, you know, ran out of gas on our way to Florida or whatnot. In the car, you know, just evacuation type preparedness. And so, smell like gas in here. But so I had a great little vacay, you know. We are on our way back home. I am 1 DPO, you know, as of the according to the Glow app. And I was super tired yesterday, and I don't know if it was just me being tired because I've been waking up early so that we can have like their breakfast or whatnot at the hotel. But yeah, I've been like, I was really tired last night, and yesterday was the day of ovulation, so that's the only symptom that I had the day of ovulation is tiredness and a little bit of see, I don't know if it was twinges or not or if my shorts was just like tight against my stomach from, you know, like after eating and stuff like that. But yeah, you know, I spent pretty much my entire fertile week here in Jacksonville, Florida, you know, because we had to evacuate from South Carolina. And I just feel like it was such a beautiful week, if you know what I mean. Beautiful week. But so I feel good, you know, and if not, if you know, even if I didn't conceive, I just thank God for allowing me and my husband to like have some me time, because I feel like, you know, every vacation is usually planned and stuff, and so this time, you know, this was not planned, but yet something beautiful came out of it, and it was unity, you know. And so yeah, so I'm just gonna pull over to the front. Guessing he's probably there. It's cold, but yeah, I don't even have the key, but I don't need the key to get out, thank God. So one way, you can go one way, only go one way, baby. Alright guys, so I don't know if Justin is up here or not, but I don't want to run nobody over, so I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Bye.